So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clone yourself on TikTok without using any other app. Here on TikTok, I'm going to show you how to do that with just your TikTok app. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Now this is actually a new trend on TikTok that allows you to clone yourself on TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you how to simply do that. So the first step you need to take is to simply go to your TikTok app like this. So right here on your TikTok app, at the top right corner, you can see the search button. So you need to go ahead and click on the search button like this and search for mirror delete effect. So when you search for mirror delete effect like this, you're going to see the first option here which says mirrored delay. So you need to go ahead and click on that like that. So when you go to your camera like this, you're going to see that you're going to become two. So all you need to do is to click on this and hold it like this. So once you do that, looking here is the video. So you can go ahead and click on next and upload it on TikTok. So this is how simple it is to clone yourself on TikTok without using any other app. Alright, we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload more TikTok tutorials like this. See you in the next one.